Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this coffee espresso maker that this man sent to me for the video. I tried it already, and I think it could be really good for the espresso lovers, the espresso coffee lovers. This could be really good, not only because it's super easy to use, and by the way, comes explained right here with everything you need to know. Just give it a read. You're not gonna have to read it too much because it is super easy to use. It comes with, I want to say like a few things that could be really good. I'm gonna show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, of course. But this comes with a water tank right here on the back that I'm gonna show you. This right here is about like 60 ounces. I want to say it's 1.5 liters about. So you're gonna put the water over there. I do recommend to use filtered water if you have access to it. It's gonna be better for sure. But also comes with a few things that I really like. It comes with a grinder over here, so you can actually put your own coffee. You don't have to kind of like use the ground coffee if you don't like it. You can use your own coffee grains right here and put it to grind, and then you will have those right here. You will have it right here right away, super fresh. And it also comes with a few things that I'm going to show you in a few seconds with the digital display over here. And of course, you're going to have this. By the way, you also can have like a half size for like a super short espresso, or you can use this one, but this is quality. This right here, it is 100% quality. So I really like it. Let's actually plug it, add water, and put it to work. So once that you add the water, by the way, you don't have to take out the tank if you don't want to. You can actually just kind of like up this lid over here and add the water. In the left, you're gonna have the grind size. So you're gonna have a few sizes that you can actually add for like having super coarse or not. So that's actually really good. And on the right, I'm gonna show you that in a few seconds. But then add your coffee. Just like this, use this fantastic quality one. You're gonna see how nice this one comes out. There you go, super nice and easy. And now we're gonna put it here right away. So once you put it there to the left, you're gonna actually lock it to the right. And now it's perfectly locked. Remember, this is gonna be the one for the grinder. So you add all your grinds over there, and you're gonna have the fresh one right here from this place. And as you can see over here, you have the on and off. Once that is on, you have the espresso heating, the espresso, 1 or 2 cups. You have the grinder, you have the steamer, and you also have a function of making a cold espresso, which I think is fantastic. You just add ice and make your own cold espresso. And on the right, this is kind of what I wanted to show you before. You have the milk frother over here. So you can add the milk and just do it for your espresso, which is going to be super cool. You just use this knob over here. Now it's an off. You put it right here on, and then you're going to have it. So now let's make your own espresso. So we just click the espresso heating. So you're going to have the temperature measure over here that you're going to see that keeps going up. And then remember, you can do your own grinds. Just one more time. But yeah, we don't have anything right here. So that's going to be for your own grinder. So you're going to see that this one is going up. It's going to reach the OK. Once that it reached the OK, we're going to have to tell you how much we want. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to wait a little bit. So remember, this is for the steam. So now we're going to go with this and 2. We're all set. And then here we go. Take a look at this. This is going to be super easy for you to just make your own really nice espresso, like every morning, every afternoon, how many you want. Remember, this is a big cup for sure, but you can see that this one is already coming out from the coffee that I just put over here. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty good. It's gonna be a strong one because I just add the 2 ones in just 1 cup. And then remember that you can use the milk frother over here, which I think it's a really nice thing. So this is a 2-shot espresso, and then we're gonna take it right away. Remember, one more time, this is a big cup. And by the way, you have this right here for when it's dripping, so you don't have to worry about too much. You can just take it out, and it has a rinser over there as well. So not too much of an issue. Let it drip for a little bit, and I'm gonna show you beautiful espresso in just 1 big cup over here. Remember that this is a big cup. I'm gonna give it a sip right now. Yeah, it's actually really good. I like this machine, super easy to use. You have your grinder, you have your milk frother, you have your cold espresso, 1 or 2 shots, you have the heating function, and super easy to clean with 60 ounces. I give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.